Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Just Nuts. Microsoft Edge has done its upgrade underneath of me. So, lots of things. Look at that. It just, you mouse over it even at all, and it opens up. I don't have to click, and there's Bing Chat. Now, I happen to have allowed my defaults to change to Microsoft's recommended in order to be shortlisted on having the new Bing. So I've got this really cluttered homepage, which is entirely not my vibe at all. And then I've got, I guess my default search changed. So if I were to type this as a test, enter, it would be a Bing search and not a Google search. But for those multitudes out there who have their default search still set to Google, because it takes some effort to do that, right? You remember steering in there and finding it and changing it to Google. It's no easy task, so that's a major asset of Google's. That's goodwill, etc. So if Microsoft can get us all to go through one big round of browser upgrades that changes all those defaults, and if they can't change your defaults, which creates some new habits, and the new battleground for habits is this bar over here to the right that a variety of software packages are now doing, because every other spot has been used. Let's start lining stuff up to the right. Habits haven't been formed there, and let's put this lovely icon here front and center. And so I've been playing with Bing every day, using up all my quotas, my number of queries per 24-hour period. It's not really a daily quota, but I'll try some search here. Let me think of something that I have been meaning to search, just so that I don't waste it. Oh, everything is so meta these days. Okay, let's try this. What do the expressions shut up and calculate? And I guess we'll give Bing the quotes around it so it can differentiate the comments. And who ordered that have in common? Oh, you've reached your daily limit. So I can't show you. It actually is using that. That's really such a shame. So as an extra bonus, since I can't show you me starting to interact with Bing here, I'll take that same question, don't mind if I do, open a new tab, and I'll go to, I guess it's, what is it? It's chat.openai.com to bring you into the other chat bot you can play with here. So here I have them side by side. So, all right, I wish I had a pause here. I'm on the PC. I do have a pause. So here we are inside GPT chat. And I will tell you, if you look down here, you'll notice it's the March 14th version. And March 14th just happened to also be the same day that GPT-4 was announced. So do you think it's GPT-4 back-ending ChatGPT now? I do, because I have noticed a qualitative difference in responses. And this is the perfect kind of query to demonstrate that. The expression shut up and calculate and who ordered that are both commonly used in the context of science and academia. Shut up and calculate is a phrase that is often used in physics and other sciences to emphasize the importance of focusing on the mathematical calculations and models that underlie scientific theories and predictions, rather than getting bogged down by what's really happening in the real world. Who ordered that is a humorous expression that is sometimes used in academic or scientific circles to suggest that a particular experiment, research project, or idea is unnecessary or not particularly useful. It can be used as a comment on the funding and decision making, blah, blah, blah. Okay, well, there was a particular one. What was the famous Wolfgang Pauli? use of the later expression. Gotta remember, gotta click that there. Physicist Wolfgang Pauli is related to a failed experiment conducted. Well, it was the discovery of the meson particle, which is a dramatically third type of particle that is unnecessary for all the stuff that's around us. We get by with fermions and bosons, but here's this other thing that isn't really used for anything and doesn't exist very long. So there you have it. Those two expressions are famous physics expressions, and here is Bing ready to serve you whether or not your default search is set to Google or not. They want to get Bing in front of you, the new Bing. I have plenty of that on my YouTube video. I don't have to delve into that here, but trust me, it's spectacular.